I'm Ron.
I'm Gayleen, and we are the Loutchans.
The history on our farm is my grandfather started it. I'm the third generation. We're just grain farmers. We got to be fairly close to 100 years in generations already. The fourth generation's already part of the farm.
My great-grandfather purchased land a half-mile north of where we are now. Then my grandfather purchased this farm. My dad purchased it off of him, and now I'm the fourth generation, hoping to continue.
The reason I went with the diamond door is it's well manufactured, it's sturdy, it's very well built in my eyes.
We were lacking in door width to get our big equipment in, and building size didn't allow for any bigger overhead door.
I built the shop in '89, and we weren't sure what we were going to do because we couldn't get, bigger stuff in it. I really wish I would have known about those doors when I built the shop.
The combine we run is a John Deere 9860 that is roughly 18.5 feet wide. And that was where we were running into space issues. We used the freestanding header style door frame to install our door on our old shop building. That allowed us to get up to maximum height past the roofline to square off our door to fit what we needed.
3 generations have done very well with the family farm, and it'd be nice to see the fourth carry it on. It's, I think, doing quite well, and I think they'll do well with it too.
The future generations of kids in our family farm hopefully are going to be as excited about it as we are. My brother's kids are always with us on the field. One actually rides in the grain cart. She'd love to be our cart operator, but not quite old enough for that yet, and eventually she will be, I'm sure. Farming this year has started out as a bit of a challenge, and it's coming together very well. The door definitely helps us farm more efficiently.
We can put machinery in there in the winter that we couldn't before and work on it when we have the time.
The door has definitely paid for itself.
I feel a diamond door has got a lot of quality in it. It's very smooth opening and closing. We are definitely happy with our purchase of that door. That door should be in our family and opening and closing on that shop for generations to come.